Hi everybody. My name is Slava and I'm product manager for the page builder here at Virto Commerce. Today is a very exciting day as I'm about to present the page builder to public for the very first time. So far, we've had a few successful integrations both with our customer projects and internally. And not only did we integrate it with e-commerce projects where it would serve to create dozens of pages, but we've been using it as the main content generation engine for our website at virtocommerce.com, where we have hundreds of unique web pages that are managed by our content managers. Everything you will see on our website has been generated and managed by the very product, including the blog section. So today's topic is about creating a selling landing page just under 10 minutes. If this sounds too optimistic for you, then I'm going to unleash how easy it is to solve this task using the page builder. And I mean it. It is as simple as it sounds. You can do it even under 5 minutes if you like, but I want to cover as many features as possible during my short demo. And taking that into account, it won't take longer than 10 minutes. These are the objectives of today's webinar. First is to demonstrate the capabilities of the page builder to you in a short demonstration. Secondly is to validate the need and the pains we are aiming to solve with this product. And finally is to receive your feedback to improve upon it. So before jumping into the live demo, I'm going to quickly give you introduction around what the page builder is about, who it is designed for, why it matters, how it makes impact, and then I will give you a short demonstration. So the page builder is an easy-to-use tool for non-technical users to quickly create fully responsive web pages without a single line of code to support their marketing ambitions. As you can see from the GIF here, the interface is user-friendly and you don't really have to be a tech-savvy user to create a web page of your need. Unlike most of the modern alternatives, the Virto Commerce page builder allows you to integrate to your commerce data on Virto Commerce platform and work with it on the fly to support your very unique business cases. So first and foremost, it has been designed for non-technical users. Marketers can benefit from the flexibility to run their experiments at scale. Content managers can seamlessly produce a large number of web content, and category managers can effortlessly support their sales funnels by promoting products from their catalog, which I'll be showing later. Also, it is a great tool for developers and solution architects, as well as provides full control over the source code and allows to quickly create custom building blocks at scale. So the reason we have developed the page builder is to reduce costs in supporting the customer's buying journey. Companies around the world have got to produce a vast and growing range of content to support consumers' decisions, such as product descriptions, white papers, case studies, blog articles, landing pages, and more. This naturally brings up the embedded costs of the content supply chain and stacks up to millions of dollars per annum to support pretty simple but yet time-consuming process, as it might involve many different professional areas to collide, such as content producers, web designers, developers, QA engineers, editors, and content managers. So that's why we are here with a new product to help our customers optimize their content publishing process by reducing the number of resources involved down to just one. So the page builder allows anyone to run the entire process from writing, designing, building, implementing, publishing, and iterating without being worried that something would have gone wrong or require additional technical expertise. And finally, it integrates with your digital commerce solution on the Virto Commerce platform effortlessly and natively by leveraging the ecosystem without having to spend much resources to make things work. So I do hope that this gave you a little bit of understanding of what the page builder is all about. And now I think we can get started to the live. So to support the case Nikolai has shared recently, I'm just about to create a landing page, the only aim of which to sell more and promote the campaign we are running for the Apple products. So in order to create a new web page on the page builder, you would need to find your content module. Of course, you will have your page builder module installed, first of all, right? So once it's installed, you go to your content module. You need to find the pages widget under your theme. Once you click it, you will see the list of the pages and folders available to you to be accessed by the page builder. So to create a new page builder page, let's call it like that way, you just need to click the add button and design page, where you need to give your page a name, and of course you will have to give a permalink by which you will later access it on your storefront. Of course, you can fill in all these other fields as well, but I'm not going to do that for this video presentation. And I'm just hitting create. So once I created, the page has been created initially. To open it, basically it's supposed to be opened automatically, but my browser for some reason blocked the pop-up window. But anyways, you can click on the file and you need to click the open it in designer. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the designer interface. And this is where you actually start your journey of creating your landing page or whatever page you have in your mind. So today I have already prepared my page, the content of this page. So I do know what I want to create. So this will save me lots of time. So on the left-hand side, you see your control panel. On the right, you see your live preview. So everything you do on the control panel will be shown on the live preview. All right, so let me just add a few blocks. So when I click add a block, I see categories from which I can choose any block available to me. So all these blocks are prepared by developers, and some of them come as default blocks. So let me choose this cover block with some image. And since I know what I want, I already have prepared here some titles and texts. Let me just change them to mine. Since we are promoting the free AirPods with iPhone 11, I'm going to put that here. And I have my images prepared already, which I'm going to get it from here. So this is my iPhone with AirPods, and here is my background image. Looks nice. Okay, so I got settings panel, where I can manage the colors, the settings, and the look and feel of my block. All right, so I'm going to change these colors to slightly lighter ones so that we can see it better. We can change the alignment. You know, I just like it this way better. And let me probably change the button to something like this. Yeah, this looks fine. So once I save it, I already can access it on the storefront, but let me first complete what I have in my mind, okay? So now I want to add few features using the features block. Okay, here we go. Let me just name it features. I don't really need this information over here. I want to put some text I already prepared. I can delete this, change here. So as you can see, this is fully customizable, right? So you can put your own text. You can add as many content elements you need. In this case, I'm okay with only 3, but if I would like, I would, you know, add a new column. It would go down here, or I would say, okay, put them 4 in a row, then it would put them 4 in a row, all right? So I stick to 3, and I delete this one. I don't like this feature in the center. Let me, can I manage it? Looks like not. Anyways, let me put letters. This looks fine. All right, so next block gonna be text block. Okay, let me add just a simple text block. Don't really like this background. Let me put white one, and I want this to be full size. Okay, now I can put my text. As you can see, I can manage the SEO text as well from here. I can say, so now it's like H1, but I want this, for example, to be H2. All right, and this one I want to be H1. Here we go. So I added my text block. What is this? Okay, I want to add a fancy block. Let me find this. A simple text. Okay, I don't really need these descriptions here. I'm gonna delete this as well, and I don't need a button too. And here I'll put this the privacy tagline of the Apple brand, and I'm gonna add a background image, this one. This looks very fancy to me, and I'm just gonna change the overlay color to, let's say, purple. And I'm gonna put opacity down to 0.2, 0.3. Okay. All right, we are almost ready, and now the most important part, and I need to trigger and retrieve data of my product I'm going to promote. So that's going to be iPhone, and I do remember that we are promoting it with free AirPods. So what I need to do is go to my catalog, find the iPhone SKU. Let me just type in iPhone. Here we go. So I need its SKU. I copy it here, replace it. Boom. So we got our iPhone ready, and the gift is gonna be AirPods. Okay, I don't have any description for some reason. Let me pull up some description from here. No description here, so okay, let me just leave it as is. All right, I can put this description just for the sake of showing some text over here. It doesn't really matter what. I'm gonna change the positioning of the image, right? Yep. And here we go. Let me probably add one more block. Boom, that's block gonna be a form. I want my users to subscribe to my, I don't know, news, for example. And here we go. Let me, okay, put this, subscribe to promotions, all right? Don't really need this one. Don't really need this in first name. Okay, and let me put black background. It looks nicer. I need to change the title color to white. Looks sweet, huh? All right, so let me save it. Now it's been saved, and I need to open it in my storefront. I can directly put my URL here, but I'm going to access it via the view page here. As you can see, this is my storefront. You see pages/promo page, and my landing page is ready. So everything we have edited is available here, and I can add my product to the cart. Here you go. We got an iPhone 11 and free of charge AirPods. And of course, I can check it out. So I think this is enough for live demonstration. And let's move to the final part. You have witnessed of me creating a promotional landing page from scratch to production just within less than 10 minutes, right? Actually, how much did it take me? Let me quickly look up. Yeah, it took me just over 8 minutes, and eventually it ended up allowing users to add the products we're promoting to their carts right from the landing page without having to go anywhere. The capabilities of the page builder are huge. I mean, you can integrate the page builder and its blocks to work with any storefront and any technology. As you just have seen, in the case of Nikolai, he would add the products manually. So first he added the iPhone. Secondly, he added the AirPods manually to see the promotions effect on the storefront, right? But in this case, you just can tell the page builder that this is the SKU and this is the gift it should come along with for free, right? And user clicks one button and all these two products are added to the cards. You can customize this case. So this was solely created for this presentation, but you can customize this in in any way you actually need to solve any business requirement. So the page builder allows business users to configure it in such a way to make the user experience even smoother without having to spend developer resources. So you don't really need to ask a developer to twitch the code and wait forever. You just can open the page builder and do what's needed yourself. Doesn't sound great. Not only can do that, there are many other use cases for the page builder. For example, we would integrate the banner Nick has presented earlier, and so that you don't really need to cope with the code, and we would, create a new building block here and say edit in your page like this, put your own content and make it work any place you actually need this to be, right? You can order these blocks in the very way you want it. So I do hope that you like this presentation, and do contact our sales representatives if you want us to give a private demo of the page builder and see how it can solve your pains.